Hi everyone, it's Ben here. Sorry my internet connection was so bad and I couldn't talk about this yesterday. But I'm here to tell you guys about the paper I read, which was flood hazard mapping by using geographic information systems and hydraulic model. And this was done in the Mert River in Samsun, Turkey. Um, so the study took place in Samsun, Turkey, which is the largest densely populated city in northern Turkey. On top of that, the Samsung is threatened every year by floods, which is due to weather patterns very similar to other valley areas. So, what they were looking to find in this study was they were looking to create actually five different flood risk maps. Uh, this was created by using GIS and a hydraulic Engineering Center's River Analyst System, which was developed by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers and has actually been previously used in Texas, Ohio, Colombia, France, and many other places. Those are just four of the places that stood out to me. Um, so as you can tell right here, these are actually the 3D hazard maps that they created of the 10, 25, 50, and 100-year floods. Um, it's a little bit harder to see right now, but basically the red areas are the where the water level is going to be. Um, I believe green areas are considered safe and yellow is um, at moderate risk. And then if we go to water elevation maps, you can tell that the 10-year floods have some flooding out far away from the river, and then more the 25, the 50, and the 100-year floods have additional flooding all over the place, which can threaten infrastructure. And what they actually found in the study was that some areas were highly affected by the 10-year flood that occurred in 2012. Of that, 650 housing units were actually significantly affected. And then for the 100-year flood, they determined that three of the five bridges in Samsun, Turkey would be fully submerged, affecting travel. And additionally, there would be much more housing affected and industrial complexes would flood as well. Thank you. I hope you guys like this. The paper is pretty interesting. I would give it a read if you guys are very interested. I didn't really understand the complex, where is it, the HECRAS model. They have it completely diagrammed out and flow charted out with all the equations that they used. Um, that's a very complex civil engineering equation that I will not understand, but if someone would understand that and wants to look at it, the link is on our Piazza and the Google Sheet that we have shared. So thank you, and again, I'm sorry that I couldn't do this yesterday.